Hey, it's Prison Jim here, and I'm gonna show you another recipe you can make in your cell. It's chicken Alfredo, prison style. You need to get to the commissary and grab a brick of pepper jack cheese. Yeah, I need about half that brick. Put it in a baggie. Cover it in boiling water. And push it to the side. Instant flat noodles. Smash it. We don't need this crap. I have an old chip bag. Pour it in there. We got some chicken ramen. Smash it. We need this for later. Pour it in the bag. You need to cut up a beef stick into small pieces and put it in the bag. And you need one of those small sachets of flaked or chopped chicken breasts. Sadly, the commissary stopped giving them away. I started a new hobby of carving animals out of soap. I was able to trade one of my soap squirrels for a can of chicken breast. Shh. Put it in the bag. Add that flavor pouch. Shake it up. Then you add some boiling water and you let it sit there for 10 minutes. And here it is. Whoa. And now you just add on that cheese. Mix it in and you have yourself Prison Alfredo. Looks cheesy good. That's a great Alfredo. Here's my soap llama and my soap owl. Would you like one of these in your home?